Right, then I have given you two classes. One class with the main method or the main program, and the other class, subclass without the main method, right? Then we will continue from there. So there are only 18 participants. Others, in the meantime, there's a possibility of logging on other persons. I hope all of you can hear me, right? And I will start sharing the NetBeans window. Right, this is the subclass. Right, its name is My Methods. All the method name or method name is total, right? Then there I have declared, and it returns an integer variable called as a underscore value, right? Then in the program, I have assigned 10 plus 10 to a underscore value. Therefore, it returns 20 as the resulting value. Then I will make some modifications to this My Methods class. I will include another method for this class. This time, actually, I am going to insert a void method to this class. Then I will write the method, say void print underscore text. Since it's void, we can incorporate just two empty braces. After that, include the statement system.out.println. Within brackets for the print line, I will include, we'll say sample text to print. After entering this method, I will save the program. Right, then I will come on to the class which carries the main method. That means the test methods class. Right, in this class already I have created an object from the My Methods class. That object is called as test1. Then again I will use that test1 here. Say test1 dot. Now you can see the available methods, right? Then after that, save the main class and run it. Then run the class. Now you can see that the print method gives the result, right? Using this object test1.test1, we are accessing the print text method which is stored in My Methods class. Then it generates the output, previously generated output with this one, right? This is how it works. Right, then I think better you take down these two programs, right? Already you have taken down these programs, but other than considering all these things, right, I will give you this two programs, right? First of all, anyway, you can take down this program first. After that, I have to include some more coding lines here, right? But when you are entering the programs to the computer, you have to do it one by one, right? Otherwise, rather than entering all the coding lines at once. Therefore, please take down these few coding lines first. If after that, I will show you the my methods class to take down, right? Please take down this first. I think now you have finished taking down this main program, the my methods class. Then take down this my methods class. I think you have finished taking down the program. Right, then as the next thing, I have to discuss with you passing values to methods. Right, then for that purpose, again, I have to include a method for this my methods class. I hope you can hear me, right? ඇහෙනව නේද? ඇහෙන්නේ නැත්තම් කියන්න.
Yes, madam.
ඇහෙනව නේද? ඇහෙනවද?
Miss.
All right. හරි හරි. Okay. Right, then I will include another method. In total. Then say int a number. Right, now you can see in this my methods class, there are two methods with the same name called as total and with different parameters, right? This type of an occurrence is specified using a special name. That name I have given you in written form as well as in verbal form last week. What is the special name used for this this kind of a situation? Anyone who can remember this special situation's name? No one. Actually, this kind of a situation is called as method overloading, right? According to my memory, in the last week I have shown you and I have given you this tutorial. I think I have given some time to take down that as well. Then in a program there can be methods with the same name but with different parameters. Right? Parameters are the things which I have which is given inside the set of brackets. Right? In this case, first in total method doesn't have any parameters, but the second total method is having one parameter within the set of brackets. Right? Anyway, you have to remember that this is method overloading. Then I will declare another variable int a underscore value. Assign a number plus 20. After that, since this is an integer method, you have to return the method has to return an integer value. Then say return a underscore value. Right? After that, I can save the class. Then again, I will move on to the test method class, which is the main class of the project. There I have to include coding lines to invoke the method, right? After that, I will include the coding line here. Say int eval2 to assign the object which we are using to access the my method class is test1. Say test1 dot now you can see the method name or in a number. Now I have to include a value here. This is called as an argument which is passed to the method. In this case, I will use the value as 30. Then put a semicolon at the end. To see the results of the method invoking, then we have to include an output statement. Right? For that purpose, I will use system.out.println. Then within quotations, I can say the result of the method. plus what? A val 2. Right? After entering this statement, then I can save the program and run it. Right? Now you can see in the output window, third statement has been added to the output window, the result of the method, then colon 50, right? Because in the method, my methods class, I have declared what? I have declared add 20 to the value which I am passing to the method, right? Argument is number. Argument, as the argument I am passing value 30, then using the method 20 is added to the given value, then the returning a underscore value is taken using a val 2, right? This is how it works. Then which one are you going to take down first? This is the my methods class. In a convenient way, you can take down this program. You want, you can take down the entire thing. Otherwise, the specific ones you can take down, right? Keep in mind to close all the open brackets. Otherwise, it will generate errors in the program. Please take down first the my methods class. I think it's better if you take down the entire program, right? Then it will not generate any problems to you. Actually, sorry for the delay, delay made by me because I received a telephone message from the university, right? Anyway, I hope that you have finished taking down the program, my methods class. Then I will show you this main program, right? Quickly take down that as well. I think now you have finished taking down the program. Then I will move on to the next method. And that is passing multiple values to methods. But earlier we have practiced passing a single value. Then this time I am going to pass multiple values to a method. Right. For that purpose, again I will move on to the my methods class. Then include the next method. Print underscore text say string a string comma int a val. Right. Again, this is an example for method overloading. Then open a set of brackets. Say system.out.println. Then I will use a string a val. After that, I will save the program. To invoke the method, then I will move on to the main class, which carries the main method. Then after coming here, I will include the coding lines there. How do we access the My Methods class from the main class? What do we use to access the My Methods class from the main class? Now students, you have to give me an answer. What do we use to access My Methods class from this test methods class? Why don't you answer? No understanding or මේ කියන එක තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද? Don't you understand this? Don't know whether you are sleeping on the other end, right? අපි main method එක තියෙන class එකේ ඉඳලා my methods කියන එක access කරන්නේ මොකක් හරහාද? test1.print. Right, test1.print text, that is the one student has responded, right? Test1.print text is the method, right? To access my methods class from the main class, that is main class is test method. The thing which we are using to access my methods is the test1, right? We have created an object called test1 and assigned the things which we have stored in the methods to that. Right? Right? We have created this object with the methods we are using that. Right. Then for the newly added method, I'll say again I have to use this object test1 dot. This time I have to use the second print text method. It has two parameters in it. Then give a string for the string. Say the value was a value, right? A value. Well, already we have obtained, right? Through this total thing, test1.total method. Right? Val2, right? We'll use that val2. Val2 earlier I have got the result as 50, right? Then after that, save the class and run the program. Then I will get the next newly added output line to the output window. The value was 50, right? That's it. I think it's clear for you, right? Anyway, first of all, take down this my methods class. And this is the entire class. I think now you have finished taking down the program. Then actually this is a complete program to practice the methods, right? If you have any questions regarding this, or if you have any doubts regarding this, these two programs, please ask now. If you keep silence, then I can the thing what I can guess is you have understood, right? If you have any doubts or questions regarding this, you can ask now. Even in Sinhala you can ask, right? Actually, this is not a complex program. It's just of declaring methods and passing arguments using parameters, and those things are there. මොනවත් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. I am planning to give you another example. If you have any questions regarding these two programs, you can ask now, right? This time is given for that purpose. Is there anyone who couldn't understand anything? කිසිම දෙයක් තේරුම් නැති කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම් then please tell me. Right, when I am doing this lecture online, actually I can't decide what is the actual situation there, right? From your side, what is the actual situation? If I conduct this physically by looking at your faces also, I can guess something that whether you have understood it, or in the online mode, if you are not answering for the question, then I can't get a decision about this. According to my feeling, this is not a big task or a complex program, right? If you are not responding continuously, then I will stop sharing the screen. But I will use another example, right? Anyway, first of all, I will stop sharing the screen because if I try to access the multiple softwares at the same time, then there's a possibility of facing disconnections, right? Therefore, first of all, I will stop sharing this NetBeans window with you. Right. Then the next example which I am giving you to show you, this example will show you how to use a function, in function to with method overloading, right? Actually, these things have been written to find out the minimum value of given two values, and method overloading will be practicing there, right? Then again, I will start sharing this NetBeans with you. I will start a new project, right, rather than using it here. For that purpose, first of all, go to File, New Project, then Java Application, click Next. Project name, PRJ, Methods. Today's date is 21st 06 2021, right? Class name is, I'll use the class name as method overloading. Click Finish. And this is my main class. In the earlier example, actually I have used two classes. At this time I am going to use just a single class. Right, otherwise you will get a wrong understanding about if you want to apply methods, use methods, there should be two classes, right? There's no acceptance like that, but if you want, you can use two classes, otherwise you can use all the things in the same class, right? Right, this is just a simple program. That I have declared two values, int A, int B, with the type of integer, then another set of values, double C, double D, result 1, a function, right? Function thing is given, then passing parameters, arguments as AB, then double result 2, in function, arguments will be CD, right? Then the program has to output the result 1 and result 2. Then min function, here you can see the method overloading for these two methods. One method is to return minimum value in the integer type. The other method is to return the minimum value in double type, right? Then after that, I will save the program and run it. First of all, I will clear this output window, right? Then the output is generated from the first method. The smallest value is 6, right? When comparing 6 with 11. In the other program, other function, the smallest value is 7.3. Right? This is just another simple example for the method overload. Right? I will remove this comment lines. Right, first take down this program, right? Class. I think now you have finished taking down the program, right? Now, I think the coordinator has informed you about this marking attendance, right? Usually I'm not worrying about the attendance anyway. If some instructions have been given to you to mark the attendance, please take precautionary measurements, right? That means you have to work according to the given instructions to mark the attendance. According to my knowledge, you have to send a message through this chat and mark your attendance, right? Right. Then I have another question. Right now, what is? Do you see any advantage of writing methods? Is there any advantage of writing methods, and what's that advantage? Method එක ලියන එකේ advantage එක මොකද්ද? You no answer at all.
Code reusability?
Yes, that is the advantage, right? If you write a method, then that is reusable, right? Then you can call the method as and where necessary and reuse it. Then if there are any more questions, that is the question raised by me. If you have any questions regarding the programs which I have written, please ask now. The next day I am planning to discuss about the field variables, access modifiers and constructor. Those things I am planning to discuss with you. If there are no questions, I will stop the recording first. First of all, I will stop sharing the screen. Right? Then I will stop the recording. Right, then this time is given. If you have any questions regarding this module or conductance of the module, you can raise now, right? Because no recording is there, then you can point out any problem which you are facing while listening to this lecture. මොනවත් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. හරිද? මුලින්ම මම පටන් ගන්නකොටම කිව්වනේ පටන් ගන්නකොට කියලා තියෙන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් ඉස්සෙල්ලාම regarding this conductance of the platform independent program. And the platform independent programming lecture එක සම්බන්ධයෙන් මොනවා ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් first of all you have to tell me, right? If I am not giving you the solution, then you can inform any authorized or higher ranking person. මොනවා ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. Actually, now 75% of the content which has to be, which is required to be conducted has been completed, right? Just few things are yet to be discussed. From my side, I have completed the task. From your side, you have to write the programs. Otherwise, you can't learn Java programming anyhow. There can be several problems, lot of problems, no way of accessing computers and those things. Actually, from my side, I am out of control of those programs. Not the programs, those problems, right? From my side, what I can do as the help is giving you the completely working program to take down. අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ නම් අපිට කවදාවත් completely working programs හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ, but I know the difficulty of learning, right? අපිත් ඒවා එක වැඩ කළා, I know how it's difficult to work with such kind of situations. They are with such kind of situations. The problem is අපි එහෙම කරාටවත් the students are not seeing or getting any advantage of that, right? Right, if there are no questions, then I'll wind up the session for today. Please do the practicals. The remaining time is given you to do the practicals, right? Don't consider that I am taking a break and taking this free time slot for my advantages, but I am giving you this time to do the practicals. When I am conducting the lecture physically also, I am giving some time to do the practicals, because these are totally practical sessions. Therefore, you have to do the practice, right? Right, then I'll stop the session for today.